Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going through this fault code that you can see on the screen, energy economy mode activated. So this is a Peugeot 3008 2019. The other models will be very similar, specifically this one. So if you're getting this warning on the cluster and the signs are, you know, the engine cutting out, the car doesn't start when you come to start it, or you could be doing any speed and suddenly it just cuts out, doesn't go anywhere. It's all to do with one component that's on the battery, which is known as the BPGA, as you can see on the screen. It's this here. It's like a motherboard, should we say. It's it kind of like shares the power of the battery to where the units are, so body control module, engine control module, all these. So it shares all the power, divides it. This component here does pack in, and when it does, that's the sort of result you get, you know, your car turning off or it doesn't start whatsoever. So you need to replace this, and once you've done, it doesn't need coded in, the car should be fine and that warning should go away. But I highly do recommend you also check the battery as well to see if it's in good nick, and do change it if it requires changing so you don't get the fault. But first to check your battery, if not then just get this component online on eBay's your best bet. Get a OEM original part and make sure it's the same code as the one that you already have, because every car spec is different to others, so make sure it's the original. Just pop it on, it's a few bolts, it's nothing crazy, and yeah, like I said, change the battery if you have to. Just plug and play really after, nothing much, and the warning should go away. That's from experience, and that's what causes that issue. Some of you may have bad, like if it's automatic, it won't go into D, won't go into R, it probably be stuck in P or N maybe. There's different signs, but realistically that warning goes back to this.